So this is TDM, game 1. I decided to use a knife. Thank you. You know who let me use this. Who you are. Who needs this? Thank you. So, I'm just going with the knife.
How's it go?
Nailed it. Wait, why is he 4 though? Or is that the 4-star? Yeah. Yeah! 2 kills!
Oh, Grant, it's you. It's fine. This is Grant. Wow! They're walking.
No! I know, I couldn't tell.
Did you just kill our friend?
No, I was shooting blank.
Oh!
No.
Hey! Oh! Every time! Woo! Right in the nuts. Hey! Oh, hey! Oh! You sure it's gonna shoot this time?
Yeah, it shoots. Tactical,
We got 4 stars over here.
I don't know. Bang bang. Bang bang. I wasn't expecting it to be. I was expecting to one of the other guys. Just not little kids. Team. Oh my god, are you kidding me right now? Second I turned my head away. Hit! I'm so close to getting a nice kill. I was so close to knifing.
What happened?
I was about to get a knife kill. So close, and yet so far. I'm gonna try to get a nice kill.
I got you if you guys want to push up.
I'm gonna try to nice kill someone. No, it hit the carpet. Yeah, it looks like he's in the tower. So, dude, what am I gonna be? Alright, here he goes. Hit! Nice kill from CQB hard. He's like run up someone, bull rush them. I have to do this, dude. I need you to cover me. I need to get a nice kill. Let's do this.
Alright, I'll cover you.
Okay.
As long as I can do it too.
Oh, okay. I'll try. I have a pistol. That means I'll need your gun. Alright.
What are you doing?
They're up in the tower.
Oh, they're right there, they're right there. I need the tower.
Got him!
They're right there, I need the tower.
Yeah, they're right inside this building. Oh, hit! I don't know if that's ricochet. I died. I need help to get a nice kill.
Hey, you give me your scarf, both scarves, two scarves. I can hold like this.
No.
Walk around like this. What?
I need a respawn.
No one's going that way though.
Okay, well I need a nice kill. So, oh, I think there's a polar star underneath the green tower.
Why?
So, underneath him, yeah.
Underneath. Oh, underneath green tower.
Just underneath the green tower. So if we can get him out, that'd be great.
There's people down there?
How many are down there?
Okay. He's about the top. Ted.
Oh yeah, I see him. He's at the far end.
You can go around.
Is anyone there?
You got it. You got sniper up in the green tower.
Still up there?
I don't know if he's still up there.
I'll try to get up there. Cover me. Or not. Okay.
Where are they?
Over there, right there.
Don't use spawn camping. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to get the knife kill here. No! I'm gonna try to get the knife kill here. So, yeah, give them a chance and go to another area. They're like all right here spawn camping. So yeah, I'm not gonna spawn camp.
You need to grenade them out.
Oh, I know they are, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying. They're all in the. They're all over, like, back in their area. Oh! That's close. Ah! I had no idea he was on red.
Oh, he's dead. Yeah, we can kill you right now. Just
Oh yes, the scent of new plywood. Tasty. Keep walking! Walk faster! 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 No! Never got a nice kill!
That's hard. And you were recording.
I know. That's okay guys, I will get a nice kill, and maybe even a hostage by the end of the day. Yeah, you need to switch teams so I can get you. But that's gonna be a little pain to get you, because you're too good for me. And then you got your dumb
Well,
little...
I might switch teams because they're having trouble.
Yeah. So,
Big time.
yeah. I'm gonna try to get you.
Alright.
I'm gonna try. Attempt. During medic is a great time.
Doing medic?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So let's do that. Alright guys. Stay tuned for the other videos.